If you want to learn how to copy and paste on your iPhone, whether it's text or it's messages, maybe even photos or a website link, I'll show you exactly how to do that in no matter what scenario. Now, let's say you just have text that you're writing in the Notes app. You can see I can tap somewhere and it will move that little cursor to somewhere else. So I can tap up and down, etc. To start the process of copying it, I need to either double tap or triple tap. So if I double tap on subscribe, you can see it selects that text and there's the copy button. I can also use my finger to move it around, and it's a little finicky. Move it around to choose exactly what I want to select. However, if you want to just select an entire sentence or paragraph, you can triple tap as well. So 1, 2, 3, and it will copy all of that by default. And then I'm going to choose copy. Now to paste it, all I need to do is find somewhere where I have the cursor and just tap on the cursor and tap on paste. However, this works differently if you're in messages or photos. So let me show you how that works. So hop out of here and let's say open up messages. If I just double tap on a message, you can see it pops up with this. So it doesn't work the same as just a normal text. So instead of that, I'm going to press and hold on the message, and then you can see copy. And of course, in the cursor here, I can just tap on the cursor and hit paste. Again, this works a little differently if you're using photos though. So let me open up photos and let's say I wanted to copy and paste this photo. I'm going to tap on the photo, tap on the share button at the bottom left, and then there is copy photo. Just tap on that. And now I have copied it, and let's say I wanted to paste it into this text message. Again, I can just tap on the cursor, tap on paste, and I've pasted that image in there as well. Websites work the exact same. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.